Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is very offset, of a video of mine, but I thought to do it because it'd be fun and might motivate you guys to do the same. So basically, at least once a week, it's normally on a Thursday, but I'm recording this on a Tuesday so it can get uploaded next week Wednesday. It's confusing, but anyway. So I basically deep clean my room. So when you have hay fever and you're allergic to everything, like dust and things like that, you've got to really take your bedroom into a sense of really getting that dust out and the pollen and things like that. So yeah, I do this literally every week. So it's a good thing as well because it keeps you clean and it keeps your bedroom clean. So I thought to bring you along, and it's going to be so fun. So let's get started on the video. Disclaimer, my parents do not make me do this. My parents are not strict at all. They do not care what my bedroom looks like. It's my bedroom, so I should keep it clean. It's my responsibility of how I want it. So my parents do not make me do this, just letting you know out there. So it's by my choice. So just a little disclaimer. And yes, I have no mascara on. I do look bold, I know, okay? So the first thing I do is strip my bed and then put it in the wash. Time to go put these in the washing machine. On my products. So yeah, the first place I start off is my desk. It's always like this because I do school Monday to Friday, so it's always going to be messy and it's never going to be tidy unless I clean it like this. So let's get straight on. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove everything off my desk. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go in with some Dettol cleansing surface wash used with the mix of this Natural Engine shiny surface. So these two together I think are the best combinations for these type of desks. This desk is from IKEA, so I do recommend using these two. I did take the shiny glass top off of it as it was really hard to get paint out of it, whereas this is very much easier to get out. So now for my mirrors, so I use this, I'm going to do this mirror and this mirror. I use the window, I can't even pronounce this, window glass shiny surface basically. I've always used it, as you can see, it's almost empty, so I do need to get a new one. So I do spray it from a distance. Basically I'm just cleaning my mirror, to be honest. There's nothing really extra, and I use a tissue as well. So now I'm just doing a deep clean of just hoovering and then getting on my hands and knees and really getting into my floor by cleaning it with floor cleaner and just getting in every surface. So I also wash my walls, it's something that people don't do, but yeah, and then clean my mirrors, and I'll remove all my light bulbs basically to get into my mirrors a bit deeper and really clean that mirror. Okay, so I'm now going to show you a trick. If you have fake flowers, basically. So because I'm allergic to real flowers, I obviously can't have real flowers in my bedroom because that would just be stupid and I'll just be sneezing all night. So these can collect dust so easily, I don't think you understand. So if you do consider getting fake flowers, just consider they will collect dust so easily. So the best way to keep them smelling nice and also less dusty, I basically use this fabric cleaner, what you're supposed to use on obviously bed sheets and things like that and clothes. I also use them on fake flowers, so when you smell them, they smell like Jesus Christ, they smell like cotton fresh. Basically here I'm just talking about my life, and I just thought maybe you just don't want to hear it, so I kind of fast forward. That's why it seems like I'm talking to you guys, so ignore that. This, what really needs to be redone, I think, but I'm going to just keep it for now. And it just has a load of key connectives on, so whenever I'm doing my work and I need a connective for essays and things like that, I've got it there. So it's just a little thing basically I've got. So another thing I do is my bins. So my bins don't smell because mainly they only have paper in it, but it is such a key thing to keep it clean. So what I am going to do is I'm going to have to take out all the paper that's in it. At the bottom of this there's so much stuff and I'm just going to empty it. Oops. I forget every time that that's what it does. Spray it with the Dettol Clean and Fresh. And this smells very nice. What even is it meant to smell like? I can smell lemons, pomegranate and lime. Oh. So I'm now just cleaning out my bin, you know, just getting all that dirt out and from around the bin. And I'm now going to be moving my desk and just organising it, hoovering it, and just wiping down the surfaces again because you don't know. Okay, so now that I've cleaned, I've just go over my desk and now I'm going to clean the drawers. So these can get so easily messy, it's unreal. So I just literally get everything out and just reorganising it. It's never really changed. So, and hoovering that's the only thing I like about these IKEA drawers, that you can take out the little mat at the bottom. So it's time to do my windowsill. My windowsill currently is used as a shelf, because I want to put some shelves up that are going to go over there. So most of this will be going on a shelf, but I have to wait till I can next get to an IKEA to get 3 shelves that are going to go over there. They're going to have neon stuff and things like that. They're also going to be my YouTube background, what is going to look very cute. So I'm going to lie to you, I'm going on about my personal life again, talking about Opoly and my camera equipment, so I really didn't think you want to hear that, and I'm showing you guys my Opoly orders wasn't relevant. At this point, this video is dragging, okay? So I thought to just literally tidy my room. I'm basically doing exactly the same, and then I'll show you guys the finishing product. Here's the final product. So basically I just reorganised everything in my room, deep cleaned it. I never ended up putting the sheets on my bed till about 11 o'clock at night because I just completely forgot about them. But yeah, it's all tidy now and it's lovely. Till next Thursday when I've got to redo it. So yeah, here's me just showing all the products, what I use. I do recommend them. I use them every week, so yes. If you stuck through till the end, thank you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope this might motivated you into tidying your room. But yeah, I do this every week, so thanks for watching. Bye.